Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Blum Crypto right from your smartphone. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to the internet and download the Telegram app if you haven't already. You can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once you download Telegram, launch the app. Once you're in the Telegram, now in order to log into Blum Crypto, here you can see the search icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now search for Blum. In the search results, you'll see the Blum bot at the top of the list. Tap on it. Now here you will find the Launch Blum option. Tap on it. Now it will launch the Blum Crypto website on your Telegram. Since you are already logged in with your Telegram account, you will be directly logged into Blum Crypto. You don't have to do anything, you just have to launch the website in the Telegram. So that's it. That's how you can log into Blum Crypto on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.